Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm going to transform my small kitchen. This is a before, as you can see guys. Now's the after. The kitchen is so functional, beautiful, and everything, name it. Okay guys, if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. I got this towel on Amazon and it was on sale $9.99. Usually they like $39, but this one I find it for $9.99. I say yes, I'm gonna use it. And originally I wanted to use another type. I'm going to show you, but this one was on sale. I wanted my kitchen to look more open. That's why I changed my mind to use the subway tile instead. Okay guys, keep on watching. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, I do my nails, I do home decor, DIY, clean with me, and I recently graduated from nursing school, and I'm planning on doing some nursing vlog and everything guys, all the good stuff. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my current subscribers, returning subscribers, thank you so much guys. I'm truly grateful for all of you. Without you, I will never be where I am today. And keep on watching. As you can see guys, I didn't measure the tile to place over the outlet. I just place it on top of it and then cut it this way. If you guys are professional, you can do it the professional way, but me, that's the way I do it. It's more convenient for me. I put the towel and then just take a heavy tool like I'm doing right now and then just call it so I can get the exact measure that I want, because it's not going to show anyway. I'm always busy and I must use my time wisely. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde, bienvenue sur channel ça. Si c'est la première fois ou là, moi dis bienvenue. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo. Et si c'est pas pour la première fois ou là, moi dis merci un peu pour le support. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Mon nom est Merci. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. This contact paper comes from Walmart and the pack has 3 on it. I use almost 2 packs. You will need a sharp blade to cut the edges. I'm going to leave everything that I use in the description box down below for you guys. Don't hesitate to comment. finished look, guys. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me with some thumbs up, like it and share it.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust.
My grandson loves to play in the blind, so I put it up and add a privacy film.
Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video and thank you so very much for taking your time watching it. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
And we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.